Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on voice navigation on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps app. After that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go to Settings. On Settings, go to Navigation, and in the first option, which is Guidance Audio, click on Unmute. So click on Unmute, and like that, you will turn on voice navigation on Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the